You started a fire somewhere deep in my mind. See the barbed wire, the place is thrown all wide.
How's that for a backdrop? Just walk inside and be dazzled. Glorious inside and out. Welcome to number 20 Capella Drive.
Way down for the both of us, but let's not go there. You got me thinking, whoa.
This flawless design, from its grand entry, the high ceilings, ducted air conditioning, solar power. 4 bedrooms, master ensuite with walk-in robe. 3 living areas, you form a lounge, family room and a separate teenager's retreat. But what I love about this one is this dream kitchen.
Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this town. Somehow in this small place, minds begin to shrink when everyone is...
Set on the crest of a hill, catching those cool bay breezes on 669 square metre block of land, the luxury of side access for the boat and caravan, the bushland outlook, it just doesn't get any better than this.
There's a stairway down for the both of us.